Isn't it strange to compete with car companies that have large resources when it comes to developing new automobiles? If you say GM or Ford, they have thousands and thousands of engineers who can work on fuel efficiency and other means to...
So where's their electric car?
Well, that's my question. Where is their electric car?
Big companies are not very good at revolutionary innovation. They're okay when it comes to incremental, things here and there, but they have a real problem with, taking the next leap forward. Somebody needs to lead the way. A smaller company needs to lead the way.
And why is it, do you think, that these large companies who, on a first look, have much more resources and experience in a certain market?
Well, you have to appreciate what is really the constraint. Is the constraint a quantity of resources? It's not the quantity of resources. It's do they have the quality of? Is there a small, very talented, focused, dedicated team that's willing to take the risks and make something happen? That's the scarce commodity, not money. The world is awash in money.